8.
Uh, Welcome back to our YouTube channel, the Challenge Network. Today we are going to be learning lesson 8 with me, the student Cliff Mogo, and my wonderful teacher.
Irene Bundi.
Uh, so today we are going to be learning lesson 8. She'll talk more about what lesson 8 is about.
So, lesson 8, before we learned lesson 7, which is upper group signs, and we started with A until letter E plus dot 6. So, lesson 8 is progressive and it is still 4 upper group signs. In lesson 7, we learned 5 upper group signs. So, lesson 8 is 4 upper group signs. We are still adding dot 6. The lesson 7 we finished at E plus 6. So lesson 8 we
Oh, so F means?
F means ED. ED. So give me an example of a word with ED.
Fried. ED, yeah. Fried.
Fried. FRI. Then you contract ED. So anywhere, the advantage of these group signs, you can contract them anywhere they appear. There are some words which you can only contract at the beginning. Some you only contract them in the middle and others in the end. But this one, anywhere they appear, if it is at the beginning, at the middle, at the end, there is no rule. The only rule is when you're writing the word out.
Out.
Out, which is OU.
Out. This is only the meaning. The others don't have meaning.
No. So there is no confusion. OU only means out. The other ones, they don't have any standalone. You just contract them. Start with G plus 6. G, letter G, letter G, 1, 2, 4, 5. Then you add dot 6. That means ER. ER. So when you find a word with ER, give me an example of a word with ER.
At the end.
Anywhere.
Faster.
Faster. Yeah, faster. So you contract ER at the end with G plus 6. The word like her, HER, you write H, then you contract ER. So that is G plus 6. Then we have H plus 6. That means OU. OU. And when you find the OU, if it is alone, it means the word out. Out. ER does not have a short form, but OU, it means out. But if you find a word like, for example, outside, you don't write OU and then you add side. You must add T. So you contract OU, you add T, and then you add side, outside. But if it is only out, ikiwa tu ni out peke yake ndio uta contract OU.
Why can't we use out outside?
It should only be used alone. It's a standalone.
Okay.
So for another word which has out, for example, outright. If it is one word and it is written as outright, you don't contract out as out. You contract OU, then you add T, and then you add right.
How do you know the difference when to write OU and out?
Out is only when it is alone. The cat is out. The cat is out. You write OU.
Does that also apply to the ones you did in lesson 7? Like
shall.
This, which, shall?
Yes.
We don't contract them in the middle of
yes.
In a word like
whichever. You cannot write which and then you write ever.
They stand alone.
Yeah. You only contract WH, then CH. They stand alone. Yeah, so out For example, if you write the cat is out, you will write the, you remember the contraction for the, then cat space is space
OU.
out, OU. But the cat is outside, you will write the word outside OU, and you must add T. Then side. It is only written OU when it is out. But if it has a punctuation, for example, the cat is out, full stop, you can use OU. The punctuation does not interfere the contraction as long as the word is alone. So
Understood.
the punctuation does not interfere the contraction for OU if it is alone. Umeshika?
If it is alone, but if it is in the middle of,
if it is
if
with
it
other words, you cannot write out as OU. You must add T. For example, outside. For example, let's just use the example of the cat is out and the cat is outside. If it is the cat is out, you write
the cat
OU.
is OU.
If it is the cat is out and full stop, you will still write OU and then full stop. But if it is the cat is outside, you will contract OU, add T, and then side. Yeah.
Understood actually.
Yeah. So the next one is I plus 6. It means OW. Give me an example of a word with OW.
Tomorrow.
Okay, no,
Wow.
no. Okay, wow is okay. Tomorrow is not okay because we have a short form for tomorrow.
Oh.
Yeah, it means TM. If it is tomorrow, you should only be writing TM.
The letter T, then the letter M.
Yeah, that means tomorrow. So we cannot use the contraction OW in the word tomorrow.
Okay, sure.
But wow is okay. You write W and then you contract. OW. Show is okay. You contract SH and then you contract OW. You remember the SH. Yeah. Wow.
Okay.
So that's our lesson 8, and our punctuation for today is opening quote. Opening quote is lower H, and then closing quote is lower J. Lower H is 2, 3, and 6. And our closing is 3, 5, 6. So that is lower J. So that is our punctuation for today. So you do lesson 8 and we meet on the next video. Adios. Oops,